Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing about that what is the expected cutoff for the examination that was held just few days back. So we'll be looking into कि previous years के अंदर क्या cutoff रहा है and उसके according we'll have an expected cutoff analyzed. Okay. Before starting the video, if you're new to Botany Insider, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also download our application. It is available both on the Android as well as on the iOS. Now, let's talk about the expected cutoff for the latest examination. Now, if we look into the last 3 years cutoff, so in 2022, 2021 and 2020, this was the cutoff for the JRF. As you all know, when we give our CSIR examination, there are 2 levels in which the exam can be qualified. First is your JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship. Second one is LS, that is lecturership. So the cutoff for both of them is separate. दोनों का cutoff थोड़ा अलग आता है. अगर हम past 3 years की बात करें, reason being in the past 3 years only the trend have changed. Trend in sense of 2019 और उससे पहले हमारे marks आते थे. अब we get our result in the percentile manner, right? So इसीलिए percentile को analyze करना is much easier. So in 2022 the percentile for or the qualifying percentile for the general category unreserved category was 98.18. अगर हम 2021 में देखें it was 98.7. in 2020 it was 98.9. so you can see there's a slight dip in the percentile from 2020 to 2021 because 2020 के अंदर 98.9 है, 2021 के अंदर 98.7 है, but there's again an increment in 2022 again, that is 98.81. so this is just an expected cutoff. Then talking about the EWS, so EWS के लिए लाइफ साइंस में 96.55 2022 के अंदर, 21 में इट इज़ 96.06 और यहाँ पर 96.5. सो इफ़ यू लुक इनटू द 3 years ट्रेंड, जो कट ऑफ है वो 2020 के कंपैरिजन में 2021 में कम हुई है और 22 में it have again shown a rise. So this is the trend which is getting followed and almost in each and every category you can see. For OBC as well it is 96.11, then 96.06, over here it is 96.04. सिर्फ 0.2 का इंक्रीमेंट है but still there is an increment of 0.2. So you can see the change, you can see the trend of last 3 years, first, second and third. This examination was in September, this was in February and this was in November 2020, right? So अगर हम ट्रेंड देखें तो इस बार भी there are chances कि एक slight particular number का इंक्रीमेंट हो सकता है. 81 है, मे बी 87, मे बी 89, मे बी 91. सो एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर का इंक्रीमेंट इज पॉसिबल इन दिस अपकमिंग रिजल्ट विच इज गोइंग टू बी रिलीज्ड वेरी सून बिकॉज examination, because they have to take up the December exam as well, so they'll have to give the answer key and all those things as the earliest. If you look into SC in all the 3, in 2020 it is 89.68, then you have 90.5, so you can see 89.6 to 90.5, almost complete 1 digit change. Then you have 90.96, so 90.53 to 96, so 0 point का change आया है. Then you see 83 for SC ST, 83.10, from 83.10 to 84.87 and then 84.22, again change and then थोड़ा down. यहाँ पर there's a decrease. Then you have the last one for the PWD, it is 74.5. Over here there's a very sharp decline, 64, and there over here you have 61. So the cutoff for the PWD students have decreased to a very good level. But अगर हम जनरल कैटेगरी का देखें, सो इन 2020 द रेंज वाज हाई, 2021 में अ स्लाइट डिप एंड 22 में फिर से इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है मेजर ऑफ द कैटेगरीज का. सो इन दिस टाइम ऑल्सो वी माइट सी अ बिट ऑफ इंक्रीमेंट इन द कट ऑफ और मे बी बाई 0.2 0.3 परसेंटाइल. बट अगर हम ट्रेंड देखें सो इंक्रीमेंट इज गेटिंग शोन इन द कट ऑफ. Now let's look into the LS or the lecturership. अगर हम सेम ट्रेंड देखें 2022, 2021 एंड 2020 का, दिस वन इज 2020, अगर हम इन तीनों का ट्रेंड देखें, सो इन 2020 फॉर द LS और द lecturership assistant professor, so for the life sciences it is 97.18, then you have 97.01, then 97.5. so यहाँ से 2020 से 21 में there's a dip and then there's a increment. For the EWS 94.00, from 94.00 there's a dip 98.87 and then there's a increment. So increase like more, less and then more. So there it means that the cutoff is increasing in this particular category as well for the lecturership. Then you have OBC. So 93.21, 93.87, 92.71. So 93.21 then 93.87. Over here there's an increase from 2020 to 21, there's an increase, और यहाँ से 22 के अंदर there's a decrease. So maybe this time also they might follow the same trend, they might decrease for the LS specifically for the OBC students. But अगर हम general category का देखें, so more, less and then more, they are increasing the cutoff in every attempt. Then you have SC ST 85.3, 77.51, 86, 79. So 85 to 86 increase, 77 to 79 increase. Now 86.3 to 86.7 again increase. Then 79.82 to 79.57. Over here there is a slight dip. So the same trend might get followed this time as well. Then you have 74.7, 63, 61. So as in the case of the JRF for the PWD students, there was a complete good dip over here as well. यहाँ पर भी same trend follow है, 74 से 63 से 61. So there's a very sharp decline in the cutoff for the PWD students. But अगर हम unreserved category, that is general category, EWS, OBC, इन सब का देखें, the trend says something else. But make sure to keep in mind that there are chances that we might see a increase in the cutoff this time as well by few of the pointers. So if we talk about the general category cutoff this time, expected cutoff this time for the JRF specifically, it should be in the range of 98.95 to 98.90. So this should be the cutoff for the JRF specifically for your general category, or we can call it as the unreserved category. For the EWS students, it should be in the range of 96.7 to 96.78 or 79. This should be the range because इतना ही increment या decrease आया है in the last 3 years trend. Same goes for the OBC as well. Is this time maybe there are chances कि PWD students के लिए और decrease आए. For SC and ST again there are chances that it might decrease, it might increase because बहुत slight changes है from the previous years to this year. So let's see what the final result would be. But for the unreserved, for the EWS, for the OBC, the trend should follow the same thing. Like there are chances it might follow the same thing, that 0.5 का increment, 0.7, 0.8 का increment आना चाहिए. Same goes for the LS as well. You might see increment in the LS category also for all of the categories in the same trend. Like PWD students के लिए you might see a dip, ST students, SC students के लिए you might see some kind of increment because same thing is getting done over here. ST के लिए there's a dip, SC के लिए there's a increment, so we might see the same trend. So मेक श्योर वॉट एवर हैपन्स अगर आप अपने अपकमिंग रिजल्ट के लिए, बिकॉज वेन एवर वी गिव द एग्जामिनेशन वी आर अ बिट श्योर अबाउट कि हमारा एग्ज़ाम कैसा गया है. सी द रिजल्ट विल टेक 1 month to 1.5 month फॉर श्योर. अगर आप अपने रिजल्ट के लिए श्योर हो एंड यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट आपका रिजल्ट अच्छा आएगा, वेरी गुड. लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका रिजल्ट आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन के अकॉर्डिंग आपका एग्ज़ाम नहीं हुआ, do not wait for the result and start preparing for the December examination if you sincerely want to qualify this exam, because 1.5 month wait करने का कोई logic नहीं है. You should start right away. You should not waste any time for the upcoming exam preparation because December के students ने already preparation start कर दी है. So for you to be in that league, and obviously अगर हम latest trend देखें, exam का dynamicity is getting increased day by day. एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चंस का जो नेचर है वो बहुत एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे चेंज हो रहा है. सो to be in the league, to be in the race of this particular examination, make sure that you start as soon as possible. So we have already discussed the expected cutoff on the previous slide itself. Now this was about for this particular video. I hope this was helpful and it would lower down your stress to some level. So we have a full course running for the December students. So if you wish to enroll in the same, you can download our application. I've already provided the link in the description box. Check it out, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck. Take care everyone.